Another fabulous day at Prucknick Adventures. We're at my trailer today. We're working on the satellite today. My battery's over discharged. My bad. They're almost 2 years old. They're lead acid sealed AGM batteries. So what I'm going to do today is I had this 50 watt solar panel connected, and I'm up to a little over 13-14% on the batteries. That's not good. They're way down. I am going to try and connect my two 100 watt panels, which is 200 watts total, which I usually use when I'm boondocking anyway. So we're gonna connect those and I'll see what happens, see if it's going to boost it. Usually it'll boost it pretty good. So we shall see what happens here. Let's make those connections real quick. One is stubborn. But we're disconnected. I'm going to run them over here. These aren't fully in the sun, but negative. And positive. To positive. Makes sense to me. Okie doke. Well, let's see where we're at. I don't know if I'm going to get you to be able to see in here or not, but we will try. Okie dokie. And now, flashy light, dark in there. Solar panels are yet trying to connect because I need to plug it in. Haha! Smart me. Let's do that. Go on with the tool. So, connected. There we go. Oh boy, we're kicking up. Oh yeah, that's doing the difference. The 50 watt solar panel was not putting the necessary amperage into those batteries. Now that I hooked up 200 watts, I've got them in the sun, and I don't want to keep my pickup truck over there all day, so I'm gonna have to find a place to put them in the sun, because I do that on purpose. I have them where I have it mobile, where I can move them, but I have some extra cabling. The sun happens to be a little bit more in the back. That is working great though there. So I'll be right back. Okay, so what that did was, that's what I needed to do, put the 200 watts on. It's already got the batteries up over 38%, and it's climbing. Good thing. So here shortly I've got some things to do inside the trailer. I'm going to do a towel rack and piddle around until the heat gets to me. It's hot here in Arizona. So I'm going to walk around with you guys to the back of the trailer here. at the storage because I have enough cable with the cable I have there to see if, oh, and I do. So right now the sun is east, obviously, because it's a little morning time here yet still. So I might have to come back and move the panels, but I'll put them, if I can reach them back here to the back bumper of the trailer, then I'm in full sun. So, which good for the solar panels, because that's how that works. One day maybe I'll think about the rooftop, but the rooftop I don't want to do. A lot of places we go camping, we're under trees, and I'll be able to like move the panels out and find some sun to keep the batteries charged during the camping trip, even though we're in a lot of forested area. If they're up on the roof and I'm backed in to a spot somewhere and the sun doesn't just quite get right up on top of that trailer all the time, then I'm losing my efficiency on the solar panel. Some may disagree. Some may say, well, we got it on the top, the permanently mounted, they do great. They probably do. Right now, this is the way I'm doing it, until I get tired of moving solar panels around or we go camping in more sunny places. But I like to be out of the heat, in the shade. So let me get those moved and we'll be right back. Back to the drawing board. The cables I have could be used as extension cables, but they're actually the hard wiring cables if I were to mount it on the roof and wire it down through the trailer. And then they go the one end directly into the charge controller, so they have the stripped ends on them, and I don't have the other connectors to put on there right now. So I am going to try to find another little sunny spot, or I'm going to leave it at the front of the trailer because the sun is going to come around here in a couple hours and I'll have all afternoon sun on them, and we're not camping until Friday, so that may be the thing I do. So let's get you guys all set up here and me set up here. Grab two, move them. Alrighty. Oh, that was way difficult. They're not in the sun, obviously. They're getting some reflective light though, which they usually do from across the way. Gonna go back over here and check the charge controller, see what's going on. I'm gonna try to give you a shot of that, but in here is my charge controller. Try to put some light up on there. Oh, and that's gonna glare. But I'm sitting at 11.5 volts on the battery right now. So yes, they're low. Like I said, they're two 80 amp hour stock batteries that came with the trailer. And well, it's going up the titch. But those panels being in the shade now, right here, are creating very little power, and I would assume I don't like to use that word, that this afternoon when the full sun is going to start getting on these boogers, we're going to start cranking it out and I'll be okay. The batteries weren't bad when we parked it, and we've only had it parked a month and a half since the last camping trip. We're boondocking this next trip, and we do have a backup generator, so all else fails for 3 nights, we will survive. So that is it, and that was our system. Let me go back and show you again. I have the charge controller set up there, and for a disconnect, A lot of people put a quick disconnect, but because I'm using it portable, I have it where it just plugs in the side of the trailer. So when I need to disconnect the panels, I just unplug it. They're disconnected. The battery has a cutoff. Everything's connected to the battery cutoff down there, and inline fuses are in. So they're using 30 amp fuses, I believe. But we're going to redo this system, and if these batteries, which the two go there, do decide to take a little bit of a dump on us, then I'm going to go with LiFePO 4 lithium battery, 200 amp hour. Probably going to get the one battery itself. I was looking online, Renogy, which I bought the system from. These are all Renogy products that I have on for the solar. They run anywhere from 600 to over 1200 for the battery, just depending what you get. I don't know if I need really Bluetooth monitoring and all that. I think a lot of them come with it anyway. But I get the one battery, get a new box to put it in there, freshen everything up in there. We'll be fine. For what we do, this setup here is perfect. But I save on weight. That 200 amp hour battery weighs shy of 70 pounds. The two batteries that I have here, being that they're lead acid, are over 100 pounds, probably about 125, the two put together. So it gets some weight there. So I'll lose some weight then on the tongue by going to the lithium battery. And a lot of people probably already know that, but that's another key factor too. So y'all stay tuned. I hope y'all subscribe, like this. We're going to get more involved. Like this Labor Day weekend, be filming. Be the wife, the daughter, and I up north in the woods. I really don't want to give it away yet where we're going, because I want to try to get a spot, but we'll see. We'll be somewhere. We're going to play games with the family, and it's family time, relaxation, the daily grind. I'm retired. My wife still works though. Daughter's at school. Going to give us a long weekend just to unwind. So I hope you subscribe and like and comment, and I hope you join us next weekend on our trip. Have a good day. Trying to get ventilation. It is warm in here. Gonna put this towel holder up. I hope. Yes, if I find my marks. And it's gotta go. Oh boy, I wonder if she's gonna like that there. Well, that's where that one's going. There it is. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Hope I got the knob turned the right way. Boy, that's a big screw though. Don't know if I like that. No, I don't think. Holy Moses. It might work. Pretty thick wood, surprisingly. I might have to go get my drill bits that I left at home and do the pilot hole thing. Oh. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh, and we didn't go through. Boom! Hoa! Now, haha. Did I leave enough room for that? Did I do the dum-dum move? I may have, which is fine. Ooh, that'll work. That'll work. And eyeball that sucker. I had it right about there. We go. That's gonna go up out of my way. Make the wife happy. Get a towel rack holder in for her. Yay! Don't destroy the trailer. I hope when I shut the door outside it doesn't collapse on all four walls. I'm hoping. And this one wants to be a bit of a booger. I know, no pilot hole. I'm going in dry. We can do this. Sweating like, well, I don't know. Pete Larson, pigs don't sweat, do they? Probably a lot of you farmers know that. Oh, I hear it grabbing. There we go. One towel rack. Let's go get a towel. See if it works. Oh, got one that's almost empty. That'll work. My grandfather made, even though you can't see it, my grandfather made this towel holder, but it bounces all over the trailer. I don't know if you guys see this or not because I don't have the camera facing where I can see the picture, but I don't care. I'm sweating. Woo. And it isn't going anywhere. We're keeping it. I think what we'll do is put paper towels on it, and when we're picnicking outside, my grandfather and grandmother, because she liked the apple and everything like that's how they picked that, that'll be with us always. Good to have memories. Love my memories of my grandparents. Now, I ask of ye that I'm doing this. My theory is I'm gonna have to get like a rubber band or something and put around the roll, because I'm thinking going down the road, well, maybe not. Well, it likes to be. I still think it's going to do the unwind thing. What do you think? I think, yep, it's going to unwind on me. So I'll just go get a rubber band from the house, and might even have one laying around in here somewhere, and we'll just put it over the end like that there, and that'll keep that. Or take it off, store it, put it on. We're doing it, but I want the wife later to see that I actually did something, in case she doesn't watch my video. Please subscribe, watch, listen, like, whatever it is. No, what is it? Subscribe, like, comment. And I only got a few subscribers right now because we're new in this channel. So I hope that you're liking the things you're seeing, and I hope that you're looking forward to some of our adventures. A little clip before, I told you we are going away this Labor Day weekend, bringing you all along, whether y'all like it or not. See ya. And y'all want to see what I've been working in? We'll see if we can get this on here. I'm just going to aim this thermometer right here down at the floor, like so. 97 inside the trailer. Let's go up high. What are we up high? Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're sitting at 102.9. Isn't that a radio station or something? 102.5 KNIX. There you go. Oh, I dropped it. Now it's dropping down a little bit. I ain't got no air on though. So it is time to get my chubby butt out of this hot trailer into some ice water and go do some other errands I got to do. Have a good day. Bye.